Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can edit your message on Telegram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to edit your Telegram message, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to open your Telegram. And after opening your Telegram, next, I want you to go to the message that you want to edit. And once you're on the message, next, I want you to tap it. And after that, you will now see the edit option right here, so just go and tap it to edit your message. And then you can now edit your message. And by the way guys, you can only edit your message within 48 hours of sending them, so if more than 48 hours have already passed, you cannot edit it anymore. And once you're done editing your message, you can now tap the check button to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now edited your message on Telegram. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.